Welcome you all again for the thermodynamic lecture series. So today we are going to solve some problems on polytropic process. So problem number 16. A cylinder contains a 1 meter cube of gas at 100 kilopascal and 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, so that is a cylinder contains 1 meter cube of gas. That is the initial volume of the gas is 1 meter cube at 100 kilopascal. So that is P1 as 100 kilopascal and the initial temperature as 100 degrees Celsius. The gas is polytropically compressed. Okay, so that is it follows the law PV power N is equal to constant here. To an initial volume of 0.25 meter cube, the volume is V1 is equal to 0.25 meter cube. The final pressure is 600 kilopascal. Determine the mass of the gas. So we need to find it out mass. Then the value of the polytropic index for compression, that is we need to find it out N. The polytropic index is N, and change in internal energy delta U, and heat transferred by the gas during compression, that is Q, and change in entropy as delta S. We need to find that is assume R is equal to 0.287 kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin and take the adiabatic index gamma as 1.4 here. So with this, these are all the given data we have observed from the problem. So they are asking about mass, polytropic index, change in internal energy, Q and delta S. So as we all know, since it is a polytropic process, so it exhibits both work done and heat transfer, and it follows the law PV power N is equal to constant. So first one we need to find out mass of the gas. So that is the ideal gas equation is PV is equal to mRT. So I am applying at the initial state, that is P1 V1 is equal to mRT1. So P1 is given as 100 kilopascal. So I am converting into SI units, that is in Newton per meter square or Pascal, that is 100 into 10 to the power of 3 Pascal or Newton per meter square. Then initial volume as 0.25 meter cube, R as 0.287 joule per kilogram Kelvin, and temperature as 373. So substituting all these values, we will get mass equal to 0.93 kilogram. So in the problem they have given R as in a kilojoule, so I am converting here in a joule because we have to substitute all in the same units of SI units. Then only you will get mass equal to 0.93 kilogram. Next one we need to find out the polytropic index N. So we know that PV power N is equal to constant. So that is P1 V1 power N is equal to P2 V2 power N. Then we find it out P1 by P2 which is equal to V2 by V1 whole to the power of N. Then taking ln on both sides. Then applying the simple mathematical rule, that is ln of x power y can be written as y ln x. So with that mathematical rule, so I can write ln of P1 by P2 is equal to N into ln of V2 by V1. We need to find it out N. So keep this, bring this ln V2 by V1 to the left hand side. You will get N is equal to ln of P1 by P2 divided by ln of V2 by V1. So substituting all the values, we will get the polytropic index for compression N as 1.29. The next one we need to find out internal energy, so that we need to find it out T2 and CV. So for that your PVT relation is T2 by T1 which is equal to P2 by P1 whole to the power of N minus 1 which is equal to V1 by V2 whole to the power of N minus 1. So with that equation I am equating considering only temperature and pressure, because we know all the temperature and we know all the pressure relations and also the initial temperatures and your polytropic index value. So with this relation I am substituting all the values to will get T2 as 558 Kelvin. Then the CV relation, as we already know how you can obtain the CV relation, that is R is equal to Cp minus Cv, divide the whole equation by Cv, that is Cp by Cv is gamma minus Cv by Cv is 1. So with that relation we can derive Cv is equal to R by gamma minus 1. So in this you substitute all the R values and gamma values to will get Cv is equal to 0.717 joule per kilogram Kelvin. Then change in internal energy delta U as mCv into T2 minus T1. So substitute all the values, then you will get delta U as 123.35 kilojoule. Then work done. So work done for a polytropic process formula is mR into T1 minus T2 divided by N minus 1. So we know all the values here. So substitute the corresponding values, you will get work done in a negative process. So work is done on the system. So work done is minus 170.19 kilojoule. And heat transfer is work done into gamma minus N by gamma minus 1. So in the problem itself the gamma is given as 1.4. So substitute that values, you will get the heat transfer as minus 46.80 kilojoule. Then we need to find out change in entropy. So that is delta is equal to mr into ln of V2 by V1 into gamma minus n by gamma minus 1. So we know mass and R, then volume ratios gamma and n. Substitute all the values to will get entropy as change in entropy as minus 0.01 kilojoule per Kelvin. So as a result, mass of the gas is 0.93 kilogram. Index, polytropic index for compression N as 1.29 and change in internal energy as 123.35 kilojoule and heat transfer as minus 46.80 kilojoule and delta S is minus 0.101 kilojoule per Kelvin. So problem 17, 1 kg of gas at 1.1 bar. So in this problem they have said that 1 kg of gas, so mass is 1 kg of gas at 1.1 bar. The initial pressure is 1.1 bar and temperature as T1 is 27 degrees Celsius and it is compressed to 6.6 bar. Okay, so that is P2 is 6.6 bar. As per the law, PV power 1.3 equal to constant. So we know that PV power n is equal to constant, so it follows the process, polytropic process. And calculate work and heat transfer with the two cases A and B. So what is the first case they have given? When a gas is ethane, okay, when a gas is ethane, that is C2H6 with a molar mass of 30 kilogram per kilomole, that is M is equal to 30 kilogram per kilomole and Cp is 2.1 kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin. Then in the second case, the gases of argon with a molar mass of 40 kilogram per kilomole and Cp is 0.52 kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin. So with this, we need to find it out for both the cases. For the first case ethane, we need to find it out work and heat transfer, and in the considering the gas as argon, then you have to calculate work and heat transfer in this problem. So for both cases, in the first case ethane, we need to find out work transfer and heat transfer, and in case second case you are considering argon, you need to find out work transfer. So first case I am considering ethane. So molecular mass is given, that is 30. So you substitute, you know that M is equal to Ru by R. R is a universal gas constant, that is 8314. So with this you find it out R for ethane, that is R is equal to 277.13 joule per kilogram Kelvin. So temperature. So as a PVT relation, T2 by T1 is equal to P2 by P1 whole to the power of n minus 1 by n, which is equal to V1 by V2 whole to the power of n minus 1. So in this, I am taking out temperature and pressure. So equating both the terms, you will get T2 as 453.6 Kelvin. Then we need to find it out Cv, that is gamma. So gamma value will be Cp by Cv. So for that, first we need to find it out Cv. Here in this problem, the Cp is given for ethane. Okay, so in the first case it is different and the second case is also different Cp is given. So use that CP, corresponding Cps. Here for ethane Cp I am substituted here. R as 277.13 and Cp as 2.1 into 10 to the power of 3 minus Cv. So here you will get Cv as 1822.87 kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin. So with this, gamma is equal to Cp by Cv. You substitute all the values to will get gamma is equal to 1.15. Then work transfer. So work transfer for a polytropic process, mr into T1 minus T2 divided by n minus 1. So we know all the values. So substitute that, you will get work done is equal to minus 141.89 kilojoule. Here is also work is done on the system. Then heat transfer, Q is equal to W into gamma minus n by gamma minus 1. You substitute all the values, you will get heat transfer equal to 141.89 kilojoule. So for a second case, we need to find it out R again. So that is molecular mass is 40. So universal gas constant is 8314. Then with this we find it out R is equal to 207.85 joule per kilogram Kelvin. Then T2 is same. It does not difference because the initial pressure and the final pressure are same, and also the initial temperature is also same for both the cases. So T2 is 453.6. But R is different. Okay, so that is R is equal to 207.85 here. Then Cp value is also different. So you substitute to find it out Cv value. With this you find it out gamma is equal to Cp by Cv. Apply the value of Cp and Cv to will get gamma is equal to 1.665. Then work transfer formula will be mr into T1 minus T2 divided by n minus 1. Here R value is different, so you substitute for the second case R value, then you will get work done as minus 106.42 kilojoule. Here is also work is done on the system. Then your heat transfer is Q is equal to work done into gamma minus N by gamma minus 1. Here the gamma value is different, but N value is same for both the cases. The gamma value is different and work done is also different in this case. To find it out, Q is equal to minus 58.41 kilojoule. So as a result for both the cases, here the work transfer is minus 141.89 kilojoule and heat transfer is 141.89 kilojoule. Okay, but here in the second case of argon, the work transfer is minus 106.42 kilojoule and the heat transfer is minus 58.41 kilojoule.